Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important entry into the high-capacity, luxury recreational vehicle market by a brand often linked to mainstream automotive excellence is the projected 2026 Chevrolet Mega Motorhome. Built on a sturdy and capable Chevrolet base, this anticipated vehicle seeks to change the standards of mobile life by providing a roomy and luxurious atmosphere. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Motorhome's appearance is anticipated to exude both aerodynamic efficiency and majesty. Although certain design elements are still up in the air, one may imagine a significant profile with flowing, smooth lines to reduce wind resistance and wide, well-placed panoramic windows to optimize natural light and picturesque vistas for its occupants. High-intensity LED lighting systems that are integrated for safety and illumination would probably be a noticeable feature. Large external storage spaces that are smoothly integrated into the vehicle's design would meet the demands of long trips. The interior of the 2026 Chevrolet Mega Motorhome is intended to be a haven of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Prioritizing space, the design can have several slide-out portions to significantly increase the living rooms when the car is stationary. An aura of refined elegance would be enhanced by premium materials like soft leather upholstery, handcrafted cabinetry made from excellent hardwoods, and superior solid surface counters. A fully furnished gourmet kitchen with residential-grade equipment, a sizable refrigerator, a convection microwave, and perhaps even a dishwasher would be part of the living space. There would be plenty of space for socializing and resting in designated dining and lounge spaces that are decorated with chic and comfy seating. Equally opulent sleeping options would be provided, maybe including a master suite with a king-size bed and an attached bathroom with a vanity and shower in the residential style. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Motorhome would prioritize technological integration. Throughout the living areas, a complete infotainment system that manages audio, video, and navigation features will be seamlessly integrated. The user experience would be further improved by smart home technology, which enables control over security, lighting, and climate via mobile devices or a centralized interface. Several charging ports and strong Wi-Fi capabilities would guarantee connectivity. The power plant and chassis underneath would be designed to support the vehicle's significant weight and size while offering a stable and comfortable ride. A strong and effective engine, likely a Duramax diesel, would provide enough torque for smooth cruising and the capacity to pull more cars. The design would incorporate cutting-edge safety measures, such as driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. To sum up, the 2026 Chevrolet Mega Motorhome wants to be a mobile estate with unmatched capacity, elegance, and technology features, not merely a recreational vehicle. The idea of such a vehicle, which is pending formal confirmation and specs from Chevrolet, suggests a possible shift towards serving the premium end of the motorhome industry with a combination of superior comfort and American engineering skill.